I thought I'd make a short little video today. Today is the 28th day of February 2024. It's after 10 o'clock in the morning, and what you're looking at is the Pleasure Pier in Galveston, Texas in the fog. And the waves are quite rambunctious today. We got a big front coming in. Show you some of this action here. Take a watch. See all the sudsing out there. There you go. And as we look out that way, you can see all the fog. And turn you back down this jetty, you can see some of the buildings and things out there, and just how much in fog that they are. So it's a very foggy day. So I'll probably take a few little clips here and there and put together a video just to show you what a really foggy day and kind of a wild sea day that it can be. Alright, I have come down from the next jet, from the jetty where I started this video at. It's extremely hard to see in this video. It's a little hard to see in real life. So I don't know if this video will even pick it up. Beyond that is the Pleasure Pier. Some of that I would think would be coming through. I am zoomed in 2 times on this camera, so you know, from here it looks even farther than what it does on this camera. But anyway, that's as far as I've come. But you can see the fog. You can see just how foggy that area is. And you see I'm still a long way from the end of this jetty here. I'll wait till these this next big wave out there comes in and see if that gives us anything to write home about. And it looks like no. There you go, there's a good one. Okay, so it was behind it. Here you can see on the sides, and that's the direction right there that we're walking in. Of course not in the water, back up there on the beach, but that's the fog that we're walking into. So it's a very foggy day. And here, we'll walk down this way just a little bit. See if we can get some good wave action here. Let's see. Well, a little bit there, and a nice big curled wave. So here, see that water running in these cracks. That's always a neat effect, I think. And you see it keeps kind of filling up. It's taking a while to drain itself. So yeah, the water's just coming up. Now it's draining. Well, but then I brought some more in. Okay, so anyway, that's to see from this point of view. Let's see what else we can find for you. Alright, so here you see I've come down to the next jetty. I haven't gone way out to the end, but that's the Pleasure Pier out there, and you can see it's actually lightening up. I can even see a little bit more of the jetty that I was on down through there, but I don't know if this camera can pick it up. But you can see right here, the sun is actually breaking through, and we got waves over here. And you can still see the fog. It's way down through there, but yeah, it's actually lightening up and getting different. So just thought you might like to see this. Some fishing equipment down there, so don't know who that belongs to, but that's the scene, as you can see. So let's keep going. All right, thought I'd take you on a little bit of walk with me here just to show this. That's the way we came from. And you can see there's still light. This is a jetty right here. We're getting ready to cross over it. Just wanted to show you that. And while I'm switching hands here, let me show you real quickly that little lifeguard seat right there. And just to show you what this jetty looks like. Stand in between. And right there, we're on the other side of it. Just that quick and that easy, but you can see it going there, and the waves all coming in here. In fact, let me just do this part for you. Yeah, the waves are staying out there, ain't they? Alright, they should be coming in further. Yeah, here we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. And that's what it feels like to be in it. Alright, hopefully you like that. Now you can see the way we're going. But there's the fog is still down there thick. So from a distance it's always very thick. You can see that Seawall Boulevard out there as we walk. You see those buildings are a little bit into some fog. Back out to the waves here. And there is seagulls sitting on all three of these signs right here. So that's kind of a neat thing to see. See traffic up on Seawall Boulevard up there. But this is kind of what it's like, and feels like, I guess, in a sense, if you can get that through video. So there's a shell right there. A number of shells buried. But you see the water churning right there. And right up here we got a few seagulls, so I'll show you how they react as I walk by. And then we'll end this part. Way out in the distance up there in the sky is two pelicans flying away. But anyway, right here's the seagulls. You see that guy, he just wasn't going to stay here. This guy here will probably just walk a little bit. As you can see, he does. And then let's see how this guy up here, he's just going to walk a little bit too. So, see, mostly that's what they do, is they just clear a path and kind of walk around you. And over here, you see, we got one up here, way up on the beach. So he's just hanging out looking for stuff that's buried up there, like jellyfish and things like that. Our next jetty's down there. So let's keep going, see what we can find. Alright, there's a guy out there in the waves. I don't even know if this little camera will pick it up or not, but he's up there not surfboarding, but paddleboarding. And he just fell in. I'm seeing his head bob. Yeah, you see those guys right there. And there he is. Yeah, he's back. He's got his board. So he didn't drown. That's a good thing. And there he goes. He's heading back out. Yeah, there he's on his board. He's standing up. Okay. Man, you got to be crazy to do that if you ask me. Anyway, next jetty right up here. Pelican flying there in a little bit of a distance. And there's two more out here circling around. Let's see if they'll even get close to us. Nope, seems like they're going away. This is what these seagulls sound like when they're all just come back in for a big landing. What do you think of that sound? There you go, we got a flight. Okay. We got the water coming in on us. See, they're out there flying around, but they'll come right back and land. And I'll show that to you. All right, here's the first one. Okay. So the rest are staying out to sea. Here we go. Here's another one. Look at that landing. Here comes the waves. Well, I guess the rest of them ain't going to come back in. Oh well, we got these two brave souls right here to show us what's going on. All right, now here you can pause this and read it. And core what this is talking about is this memorial right here. See this guy reaching up to heaven, and there's a woman, and she's holding a little kid. As I walk around here, you'll see right there, and this is a memorial to those people who died back in that hurricane. Here you go. In fact, this tells you 1900 Storm Memorial right there by David W. Moore Sculptor. Here's what it looks like from behind. Back up here. There we go. So here, I'll just take you on around it so you can just get a whole 360 of the thing. A lot of traffic out here, as you can hear. And there you go. That is the memorial up here. Alright, so I want to show you these couple of dolphins here on this nice round pedestal. If we step up here, this fountain is a gift, so you can see that. So it's a fountain. I'll go around this way where you can see it a little better. So nice little dolphin family there. There's some waves at the bottom, and out there's the real waves where they really are. Alright, the north wind is really coming in. You see all these trees here blowing. Out there's the Gulf. That's the cold front right there that we already just started moving in about a minute or two ago. And there's the other end of it that's looking north. Alright, look at these beautiful flowers they have here. Very nice setting. These palm trees, pretty cool indeed. I'm going to step out here and take a picture and get the whole thing. Alright, this is the other side of the trees here. You see them, the wind has calmed down somewhat, but now it's picking back up as I say that. Crazy. Alright, what better way and more appropriate way to say goodbye than to watch some of these guys maybe fly. At least I'll run. Okay. Well, none of them will fly for me. I thought that would be appropriate, but anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I'm heading back. Way down through there, you hopefully could see that's the Pleasure Pier down there. So, got a little ways to walk before this is over. Hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit of comparisons of the 8 versus the 11. This video here was all shot in the 11. I'm just comparing pictures for the 8. Alright, I'll see you on the next one.